there. We gotta go, it's Sunday. We gotta go do a trailer to trailer with my dad, so I gotta take a shipment off his trailer, put it on my trailer that he picked up for me last week when I was coming from Texas and North Carolina. In my last video, I got my brother here. He gonna take me over there real quick. My wife, she gonna take the scat today. So yeah, man, I'll show y'all a little footage of what I got going on and whatnot, so y'all can kind of see some of the loading and whatever. And I'll catch y'all over at the trailer, man. Peace. All right, y'all, so we made it over here. My trailer's right there. This is my dad's trailer. This is his truck. He got a old drop frame. Show y'all the walk around of his real quick. This is my baby right here. Yeah, this is my dad's Kenworth. It's all right, bro. I see y'all. Love you. I think it's like a 07. I forgot, but yeah, this is it. We're about to get loaded up. We gotta do a trailer to trailer. That's what I mean by that. It's in his trailer. Got to take it, put it in mine. Yeah, man. But that's it. My dad right there. All right, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. This is what it looks like. This is like 4,000 pounds, 4,500 or something like that. This is what it looks like. So we'll load up there, load across that side right there on the next shipment, and we'll keep going back. But yeah, man, we're done for the day. Like I said, Sunday, so I'm gonna get this one home and we're gonna get out of here, man. I'll catch y'all, man. All right, y'all, so I forgot my GoPro at the house, but I got my phone, so I'm in the U-Haul right now over here in Panama City, Florida. We're about to go pick up 1,500 pounds. I'm by myself, so I'll pick it up by myself. It's at a 2-story apartment. We'll get it, shuttle it back to my trailer. I'll show you guys that whole process, which I've showed y'all before in my first video. But for you guys who don't know, I'll still show you. And yeah, man, so I will see y'all either at the apartment or at my trailer. Peace. All right, y'all, so we are loaded up. We got our paperwork done. We're about to go head to the truck. Really, I'm about to go head to the truck and load it up and enjoy my weekend. I gotta load Monday in Fort Walton. So I'll see you guys Monday, man. Peace. All right, y'all, so we loaded this 1,500 pounds. I have to fill in right there, fill in the rest up there on Monday, and keep on rolling back, man. Keep on loading. Got to load in Georgia on Tuesday, load in Georgia on Wednesday. This video primarily just be me loading and when I ride up to Georgia, and then I'll have a separate video when I go to Oklahoma. Yeah, man, so y'all have a good weekend. I will catch y'all on Monday. Peace.
NBA young boy on somebody else's back. They're like a family man. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So we are loaded up here in Fort Walton. We gotta go to Georgia, but I'm gonna go back home. I'll leave out and go to Georgia in the morning. Got a little 10,000 there. I'll show you guys my artwork inside the trailer here in a second, or probably in the morning while I'm at it. But yeah, man, we finna drive home. And yeah, this was actually a pretty good one. This was the warehouse. In my first video, I had the jackknife in, but this time I was able to just load it from out here. I just did a long carry. I want to show you guys the truck. I know I haven't had it on here much this video, so I'll catch y'all now. I'll get some rolling shots. Peace.
Edge of that ocean.
so we are loaded up. We made it here to Hansville, Georgia. I didn't get to really record today. I had a lot going on, and I was on a military base, so I couldn't record much anyways. And I'll show you guys why I couldn't really record. We had a really nasty house to deal with, and I'll put pictures somewhere along right here. And yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all. We'll head out to Oklahoma tomorrow, and obviously I'll bring you guys along for that one. That'll be another video. And yeah, man, please like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a good one, man.